Hey, good day, good morning. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Today we've got motorcycles, iron motorcycles, and 10 trikes and motorcycles to talk about. And we'll just compare, contrast, and give an overview. So stay tuned for more. Okay, we're gonna talk about the littles. This is a Harley Junior. It's more of a medium size. It's an earlier steel wheel, cast iron, and the Harley Junior is a wonderful place to start in the hobby of cast iron toys. And when you start, there's absolutely no reason why you should worry about chips, aging, rivets. Doesn't matter. It's great. This is an early art. Some call it the patina. The patina is actually quite nice on these iron toys. You could start one size down. This is a Hubley crash car. Roughly second from the smallest size. And again, steel wheels. The Hubleys in the smaller scale tend to have this crushed tip, a flat tip. These are proper wheels, proper axle. And maybe you want to start at this size. This one, you know, potentially 150. Condition may bring it a little higher. This one, this Harley, pricing may be a little closer to 200, 220. And when conditions tops, it goes up exponentially. Maybe you don't like iron. Maybe you don't like trikes. Maybe you want to start out with motorcycle toys like this. German 10 toys. And this is a MAC 700. Arnold made these, and the MAC arguably is one of the most difficult to engineer toys that came out. It was really a pretty amazing method they did. You wind it and then you hit the lever and the leg should flip on over. We don't have the right writing surface, but we'll do our best to simulate. And it goes in a circle, and then he gets off and he remounts. So on this one, we may give it just a little bit of encouragement. Give it a couple of lever turns. Go here, give it a couple more winds. Whoa. So that's the engage. Look at that. Yep, and his leg should have popped back over, and then he keeps driving. So, yay, success. Okay, we're gonna get it to run. It runs. The leg kicks over, comes down, leg raises. And 90% of the time it kicks back there. There we go! Yay! Close-up of the Arnold. Close-up of the Indian. That isn't too shabby. Cast iron Indian. Close-up of the Harley. This is a Harley Davidson, not the junior version. Extremely clean. Close-up of the large Champion. Large Champion. The crash car. And then close-up of the blue junior version. Junior coming from Harley Davidson Junior on the tank. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this quick overview. Motorcycle toys, whether it's tin or iron, we can help out. And this is just scratching the surface because we've got Japanese, American, Chinese toys which have come into their own, German, and the rest of the world, it seems like. But please keep us in mind, especially for tin and cast iron motorcycle toys. We love them. And these will be for sale coming up end of May, most likely, 2025. And it'll be on Mars auctions, as well as signing up on AntiqueToys.com. We can give you more information. So cheers from Ed. With any questions, contact me, toys@AntiqueToys.com. Have a great day.